Number 1. 1964 Chevrolet Impala 327 V8, $19,500, Brea, California. This 1964 Chevrolet Impala sedan is powered by a rebuilt original 327 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission and has 25,000 miles on the rebuilt drivetrain. It is described as running and looking nice, with a clean interior and clean title. Known for its smooth ride and strong V8 performance, this mid-1960s full-size classic is offered at $19,500 in Brea, California. Number 2. 1972 Chevrolet Corvette, 20,000 Brownsville, Oregon. This 1972 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe marks the final year of chrome front and rear bumpers for the C3 generation, making it desirable among collectors. Located in Brownsville, Oregon, it is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with a rebuilt automatic transmission. With 69,000 miles and an original equipment manufacturer replacement engine, it features updated brakes, suspension, exhaust, ignition, and a rebuilt transmission with a shift kit. Finished in flat black with a largely stock black interior, it includes power steering, power brakes, power windows, air conditioning, tilt and telescopic steering column, and removable T-tops. At $20,000, it offers strong value for a chrome bumper example. Number 3. 1969 Plymouth Fury 3, $20,000 Walla, Washington. This 1969 Plymouth Fury 3 is a C-body sedan powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. Located in Walla, Washington, it shows 158,000 miles and is described as very good. Mostly garaged and shown at car events, it presents nicely with original wheels and an extra set of torque thrust wheels. The radio is not working and the air conditioning is not operational. With seating for 6 and a clean title, this Fury offers classic late 1960s full-size comfort and growing collector appeal. Number 4. 1976 Ford F-250 Highboy Ranger, $18,500, Riverside, California. This 1976 Ford F-250 Highboy Ranger regular cab long bed is a desirable four-wheel drive truck located in Riverside, California. It has had one owner since new, retains original paint, and is described as rust-free, powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 with a 4-speed manual transmission and four-wheel drive. It has been stored indoors for over 20 years and will need recommissioning. Highboy models are collectible for their taller stance and transfer case design, making this a strong opportunity at $18,500. Number 5. 1980 Chevrolet Corvette, $23,000, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. This 1980 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe features a rare red exterior over red interior combination. Located in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, it has 32,000 actual miles and retains original paint. With 3 owners and a clean title, it is described as very clean and driving great with no known issues. Recently ceramic coated, this later C3 model offers sleek styling and originality at $23,000. Number 6. 1975 Pontiac Firebird, $21,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1975 Pontiac Firebird in Albuquerque, New Mexico shows 61,000 original miles and is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission and B&M shifter. Described as excellent inside and out, it runs strong, is rust-free, and ready to drive anywhere. At $21,500, it offers originality and classic mid-1970s muscle-era appeal. Number 7. 1974 Cadillac Coupe Deville, $21,500, Langley, British Columbia. This 1974 Cadillac Coupe Deville in Langley, British Columbia is finished in electric orange with a black interior and shows 41,000 miles. It is powered by a 500 cubic inch V8 engine. The interior is factory correct and in excellent condition, with working air conditioning and power seats. Recent mechanical updates support strong performance and smooth comfort. At $21,500, it delivers classic 1970s luxury and presence. Number 8. 1956 Plymouth two-door wagon, $30,000, Scottsdale, Arizona. This 1956 Plymouth two-door station wagon in Scottsdale, Arizona is a modified classic with 20,000 miles shown on a rolled-over odometer. It runs a 360 cubic inch Dodge Magnum engine with a 518 four-speed automatic transmission. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, it is built as a comfortable driver. At $30,000, it blends 1950s styling with modern reliability. Number 9. 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, $22,000, Blaine, Minnesota. This 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner in Blaine, Minnesota now runs a 440 cubic inch V8 from 1977 with a TCI 727 Street Fighter automatic transmission. It has received extensive upgrades, including intake, ignition, exhaust, suspension, brakes, wiring, and gauges. Finished in Sunfire Yellow with 33,000 miles shown, the seller states about $44,000 has been invested. At $22,000, it offers serious performance value. Number 10. 1955 Pontiac Chieftain Hardtop, $21,599, El Paso, Texas. This custom 1955 Pontiac Chieftain two-door hardtop street rod in El Paso, Texas features fresh custom paint in white, gold metallic, and dark brown. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with a 350 automatic transmission. Upgrades include air conditioning, electric windows, and new Riddler wheels and tires. Positioned as a strong cruiser, this Pontiac combines classic 1950s styling with modern drivability at $21,599.